Ever wonder which animal never gets old? No wrinkles, no back pain, no slowing down, just pure growth forever. This beast keeps getting bigger and stronger every single year. Its immune system? Always on point. Organs? Running like new. It doesn't age like us, it literally levels up with time. But don't get too excited. Because even if age can't stop it, death still can. This animal proves aging doesn't kill you, life does. Backhand index pointing right, like this video and subscribe to the channel before I tell you the name. Alright, ready? It's the
Bombardiro crocodilo.